Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Intan from Global Lesson Relief Indonesia. I hope all of you are having a good day. And Alhamdulillah, after 8-hour drive, finally we are arrived here in Kota Lok Semawe for the preparation of food distribution that we are going to distribute tomorrow in Panton Labu, Aceh Utara. And as you can see, all of our volunteers are working in the preparation for the food aid. And I will take you around. So our volunteer here, they are doing the final touch of the package. And in the backstage, the real situation is here in the backstage. Yeah, so they are putting all the items, all the food items in the box. And we are going to check what is inside the box. I will show you. So in each box, the community in Matang Jurong, Aceh Utara, they will get 2 liters of cooking oil, 1 kilogram sugar, 1 kilogram flour, tea bag, ketchup, milk, 1 package of eggs, which are not here yet, and also 10 kilograms of rice. And we are also going to interview one of our volunteers. Okay, so this is Murdani. He comes from the Panton Labu.
And then have out there in Matang Jurong. Far from Matang Labu, around 15 kilometers.
15 kilometers from Panton Labu. Matang Jurong. Okay, so most of them are poor.
Yeah, a lot of in there are poor people.
Okay, so after the conflict, and now they are living under poverty. Okay, so that's why we are going to help them tomorrow. Okay, thank you, inshallah. Okay, so together with the food distribution, inshallah, tomorrow we will also hand over a mosque for the people in Matang Jurong, Panton Labu, and the mosque called Masjid Riyadus Solihin. Alhamdulillah, for the very first time in their history, they have their very own mosque to perform their Salah Eid and Salah Jumat. Before, that mosque was not a mosque, it was a musolla, it was a small mosque. But after we refurbish, thanks to our donor who support us to refurbish the mosque, the musolla, and now the musolla is upgraded to mosque. So that's why now they are able to perform the praying there. And also, inshallah, tomorrow we will also hand over 100 praying tools for 50 female and 50 male, also in Riyadus Solihin area. And also we are going to have meals for orphans, 250 meals packs, inshallah. So keep in touch, inshallah, stay tuned. Tomorrow we will come back to you with the real situation from the field. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.